The best gaming mouse can make a big difference in your performance in PC games. If you're looking for an edge over your competition, you need to choose the right mouse. There are a lot of different options on the market, so it can be overwhelming to try to find the perfect one. But we've got you covered. We've tested a bunch of different gaming mouse and compiled a list of the best ones for you. Our first choice is Razer Viper V2 Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. Razer, the world's leading manufacturer of high-end gaming peripherals, has unveiled its latest gaming mouse, the Razer Viper V2 Pro Hyperspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. Weighing in at just 58 g, it is one of the lightest gaming mice on the market. It is equipped with Razer's proprietary optical switches Gen 3, which are rated for 70 million clicks, and a state-of-the-art 30K optical sensor. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our second choice is Steelseries Prime Mini FPS Gaming Mouse. The Steelseries Prime Mini FPS Gaming Mouse is one of the most popular gaming mouse on the market. It has a USB-C connection and an 18,000 CPI TrueMove Air optical sensor. It also has 5 programmable buttons and optical magnetic switches. The brilliant Prism RGB lighting mini form factor makes it one of the most stylish gaming mouse on the market. Our third choice is Logitech G502 Wireless Gaming Mouse. Logitech's G502 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse is a top-of-the-line product that offers gamers a number of features that are sure to improve their gaming experience. Some of these features include the Hero 25K sensor, which provides accurate and responsive tracking, as well as PowerPlay compatibility, which allows for wireless charging. Additionally, the mouse is tunable to the user's preferences, and comes with RGB lighting that can be customized to create an immersive gaming experience. Our fourth choice is Pulsar Gaming Gear's xlite V2 Mouse. Pulsar Gaming Gear's xlite V2 Wireless Gaming Mouse is an ultra-lightweight 2.1 ounces, 59 g, ergonomic 2.4 GHz 1 millisecond 20,000 dpi optical sensor PAW3370, domestic genuine product. This gaming mouse is designed for gamers who are looking for a wireless gaming mouse that is lightweight and has a high DPI. The Pulsar Gaming Gear's xlite V2 has a domestic genuine product warranty. If you need the product details, please check the video description box. Our last choice is Razer Naga Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Razer Naga Pro Wireless Gaming Mouse offers interchangeable side plates with 2, 6, and 12 button configurations to give you the ultimate in customization for your gaming needs. The Focus 20K DPI optical sensor provides pinpoint accuracy, while the fastest gaming mouse switch ensures that every click is registered instantaneously. The Chroma RGB lighting adds a touch of style and sophistication to your gaming setup. I hope you find your best gaming mouse for PC gamers. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.